In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use promo codes on your Pocket Option dashboard. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through it to ensure you make the most out of your trading experience. To get started, log into your Pocket Option account and make your way to the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the essential tools and information you need for trading. It's the hub of your trading activities, so familiarity with this area is key. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you have several options, but for today's purpose, you'll want to focus on the one labeled Finance. Go ahead and click on Finance again. In doing so, you're stepping into a section dedicated to all things monetary: deposits, withdrawals, and, most relevant to our focus today, promo codes. Now in the Finance section, you'll notice some tabs along the top. Look for the one labeled Promo Codes and click on it. This section is especially useful for traders looking to maximize their investments with special offers. Here, you'll be greeted by a list of all the available promo codes that Pocket Option has to offer. It's a straightforward, intuitive list, and each promo code comes with a short description of what it offers. It's important to read these carefully so you're fully aware of what each promo provides. For example, you might see a promo code that gives you a 50% increase on your next deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you'd get an additional $50 credited to your account, giving you more to trade with. Having this extra capital can be a great advantage as it allows you to explore more trading opportunities or enhance your strategies with a bigger fund base. Be sure to check back regularly as new promo codes can appear at any time. It's worthwhile to take advantage of these offers because they can optimize your trading potential. Remember, promo codes are occasional treats designed to benefit you, so be proactive in your approach to checking their availability. And with that knowledge, you're well on your way to enhancing your trading experience on the Pocket Option platform. Stay informed, seize those opportunities, and watch as they contribute beneficially to your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and strategies on optimizing your trading experience. Until next time, happy trading! That's my Nappy.